Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to pair the OnePlus Band to a smartphone, and we're also going to show you the initial steps of setting up. So we have already charged this device and currently it's at 89% charge, and what we are going to do now is we have to install an app called OnePlus Health onto your smartwatch. We have already installed it, as you can see it. So now I'm just going to open it and okay, end user agreement, agree, loading, and you basically have to register your account. I'm going to do that. You have to register with a number, unfortunately. Waiting for a code. Okay, click on get code so that this just becomes faster. Alright, let's go. Let's see. 474696. Signing in. Now what we have to do is go to this manage tab over here, and if you can see this here, the manage tab. I click on it and now you basically have to add a device. So let's just do that. I'm going to turn on Bluetooth because it's required. Bluetooth turned on. You can see that the watch is showing this. Install OnePlus Health app, which we already done. This is basically the first page that you see once you have charged your device, and basically on a new device. So over here, back to the app, we have to go to manage and add device. And see, it's already reading, already looking for OnePlus Band 3025, and we're going to click on that. Saying preparing. Let's see, pairing request has been sent to your phone, and there it is, 206314. Let's see what's the code here is, 206314. So pair, you can see it's pairing now, and it is now paired. That's it. It's as simple as that. It'll also give you all the instructions, like swipe up and down to switch app, swipe right to go back, cover the screen back to watch face. So this is your loading page basically. OnePlus Band repaired, continue setting up your band, continue. Okay, continue. Data sync via Bluetooth, stay connected with your band. Allow, deny for now. Skip for now, phone notification, allow. So you can activate whatever app you want to and you will get those notifications. I'm going to skip this for now. Preferred wrist left. You can select your wrist as well, and that's it. You're now ready. Get started. You can we'll skip this and let's try out some of the watch faces. Pretty simple. Just click the one you want and it should change to that particular one. So let me select this one, set as clock face, and there you go, it has changed. So if I click this one, set as clock face, it's changed again. Similarly, if you change from here, basically if I swipe left and right, the watch faces will change. Let's keep this here. So if I swipe left and right, see, the watch faces are changing. And not just that, it's being reflected on the app as well. So I'm going to keep them side by side so that you can get a better look. Let me just try this again. Yeah, and swipe. There you go. Swipe. All I'm doing is swiping. You can add a lot of other stuff as well. There's a wall clock, select city or country. So I'm going to select Delhi. Sorry, once again, I'm going to select New Delhi. New Delhi, add clock face, remove. Okay, I have to remove one, so I'm going to remove this one, remove, and there we are. We have 4 watch faces now. We can also add more, like we can go to edit and add more, but that's a different thing. And that's about it. This is how you pair the OnePlus Band to a smartphone and how you change watch faces using that particular app. Thank you for watching.